Deriving the normal equation, we have the objective, minimize y minus x theta transpose times y minus x theta. This is a quadratic in theta. To find the minimum, we take the derivative, set it to 0 and solve. All the matrix calculus we learned in module 4 pays off right now. Let us expand this expression step by step. Start with y minus x theta transpose times y minus x theta, multiply it out, we get y transpose y minus y transpose x theta minus theta transpose x y plus theta transpose x theta. Now y transpose x theta is a scalar. A scalar equals its own transpose. So y transpose x theta equals theta transpose x transpose y. That means the two middle terms are the same. We can combine them. The result is y transpose y minus 2 theta transpose x transpose y plus theta transpose x theta. Now differentiate with respect to theta. The first term y transpose y has no theta in it. Its derivative is 0. The second term minus 2 theta transpose x transpose y. Using our identity from module 4, the derivative of a transpose theta is a. So this gives minus 2x transpose y, the third term. Theta transpose x theta. This is a quadratic form. Theta transpose a theta, where a is x transpose x. The derivative is 2a theta, which is 2x transpose x theta. Set the derivative equal to 0. We get 0 equals minus 2 x transpose I plus 2x transpose x theta. Move the first term to the other side. X transpose x theta equals x transpose I. This is the normal equation. It is a system of linear equations in theta. If x transpose x is invertible, we can multiply both sides by its inverse. Theta hat equals x transpose x inverse times x transpose y. This is the closed form solution. No iteration, no gradient descent, just one matrix computation, and we have the best parameters. Let us write it out one more time. Theta hat OLS equals, open parenthesis, x transpose x close parenthesis, inverse, x transpose y. This is the ordinary least squares estimator. It gives the theta that minimizes the sum of squared errors. Every term here has a meaning. X transpose x captures how the features relate to each other. X transpose y captures how the features relate to the target. The inverse balances these two. The normal equation is theta hat equals x transpose x inverse x transpose y. We derived it by expanding the objective, differentiating using matrix calculus and setting to 0. This is a closed form solution, the payoff of all the maths from module 4. Next, we work through a concrete numerical example.